David Hughes here with my knot Dog's Hitch. Dog's Hitch is an upgrade to Frog's Hitch. For Dog's Hitch, first you double the cord or double the rope. Put your palm on the bar and wrap 3 wraps over your finger and the bar, not counting the first wrap. Leave space between your finger and the bar so you can get your finger out. There's your 3 wraps, 1, 2, 3. Come around. Pull the tag end through. Make a double bite through the original bite. Tighten a little bit at a time. Check for neatness. Shorten up the double bite. Now modify the double bite. The bite in the back, which is the same as the outermost strand, that bite is removed. Now it's added back in with the other bite from the top side. The front bite, that cord will be your next cord. Tighten it a little bit. Place your palm, place your thumb through the bites, place your palm on the bar, and make 3 wraps over your finger and the bar. Make a 4th wrap over the bar and trap it with your finger. Now you've trapped it with both fingers. And pull the rope through without twisting it. And while you're at it, go ahead and pull it all the way through the double bite. Tighten it up a little bit. Tighten this as hard as you can with your hands. Then tighten up the double bite. Make sure that the one that was the outermost is still the rear bite, rather than the forward one. Now it's a good time to tighten it a little bit and to check for crooked cord. I'm going to tighten it using the tag end of the cord to tighten it a little bit. That's as tight as I can get it without standing on it. Dog's hitch resists pull along the length of the pole in either direction, and if you tighten it up an extreme amount by using tools to tighten your knot, then you can get it so tight that it has a jamming effect, so it's a semi-permanent knot.